Hello everyone! In this video, we will clearly understand three important computer vision tasks: object recognition, object localization, and semantic segmentation using deep learning. Object recognition answers one simple question: what is present in the image? Using convolutional neural networks, or CNNs, the model extracts features like edges, textures, shapes, and patterns through convolution layers. Modern CNNs like ResNet, EfficientNet, and Vision Transformers learn hierarchical features, from low-level edges to high-level object structures. The final fully connected or classification head predicts the object class. For example, car, dog, person, or chair. Object localization answers, where is the object located? Here, the CNN not only predicts the class, but also outputs bounding box coordinates: Xmin, Ymin, Xmax, Ymax. Modern systems use architectures like faster RCNN YOLO, you only look once, SSD, single shot detector. These models combine classification and regression to detect objects in real-time applications like surveillance, autonomous driving, and robotics. Semantic segmentation goes one step further. Instead of drawing boxes, it performs pixel-level classification. Each pixel in the image is assigned a class label. Popular deep learning architectures include fully convolutional networks, FCN, UNet DeepLab E3+, Mask RCNN, for instance segmentation. These models use encoder-decoder structures. The encoder extracts features. The decoder upsamples them back to original image resolution to generate dense segmentation maps. Applications include medical imaging, satellite imagery, and autonomous vehicles. To summarize, recognition tells us what localization tells us, where segmentation tells us which pixel belongs to what. These advancements in CNN-based deep learning are powering next-generation intelligent vision systems. Thank you for watching.